Welcome back. This is Jennifer Colombo with Colombo Collection. This is an instructional video for the customer. This is for a Webster. All of them are basically the same as far as ribbon goes, and they're exactly the same as a Royal Mercury. So the first thing you do is remove the old spools. Those already have been removed, so I can make this video short. And when you take them out, just pay attention to how they were in there. That's always a helpful way to know how to put the next spool on. You also want to make sure that the typewriter is set on black ink. Black ink needs to be on the top. Then you need to know which way your spools are turning. So you just look in, there's a little tab there. See it sticking up? Type and see which one's moving. So this guy's moving, which is good. That way black will be on the top. Then you take the spool with the least amount of ribbon on it and you put that onto that spindle. You want to fit the hole on the bottom into that tab on there to lock it in. Pull this bar out of the way. Sorry, it's hard to do this one-handed. And when it locks in onto the tab, you'll know because you won't be able to turn it counterclockwise. You want them locked in. Then you go to the middle of the typewriter. A trick is to take G and H, push them both down so they get stuck. See how that holds up where you thread the ribbon through? So you take the ribbon, you go behind in front of these two black tabs and behind here where you thread the ribbon into. Just like that. Now you just gently feed it in to the top. This should be way faster, but one-handed is super hard. Like that. See how it's threaded in, top, bottom.